Reporting from our headquarters in New York, I'm Will Cager-Smith, keeping an eye on Acuris with some of the biggest headlines last week. First up, DebtWire reported on WeWork's race to stave off a liquidity crunch after the company shelved its IPO. WeWork's financial advisor, JP Morgan, was proposing to finance the company with $5 billion of new debt, while at the same time, SoftBank was offering to buy out other shareholders at a discount and backstop additional debt. Since our reporting last week, news broke that WeWork decided to go with the package from SoftBank. The deal gives the Japanese conglomerate, which was already WeWork's biggest shareholder, effective control of the company. In other SoftBank news, Merger Market caught up with the company's managing partner for Brazil in Sao Paulo. SoftBank is looking to invest in new health, finance and agriculture technologies in the country after launching the biggest venture fund dedicated to Latin America earlier this year. The so-called Innovation Fund, which operates a 15-person team in Sao Paulo, has committed to investing $5 billion in the region. Since launching, it has invested in about 10 Latin American startups, including fintech firms and online marketplaces, as well as personal mobility and fitness companies. And finally, investors told Activist Monitor that Colony Capital had chosen to appoint Mark Ganzi as its new CEO, as the real estate investment company looks to execute a digital makeover of its portfolio. The executive, who was acqui-hired after selling his company Digital Bridge to Colony in July, will work with the firm's current CEO on a 2-year transition plan. Colony is aiming to move away from the lower growth healthcare and hospitality REITs it has focused on in the past. Instead, it plans to concentrate on the high-growth telecoms infrastructure needed for 5G wireless networks, including data centers and fiber optic cables. And that's our eye on Acuris. Stay tuned for more headlines next week.